You work hard, you try to save, but somehow, the money just disappears. Sound familiar? What if I told you that small, sneaky mistakes are sabotaging your finances, and you don't even realize it? Today, we're exposing the top 7 mistakes keeping you poor, and more importantly, how to fix them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. If one missed paycheck would wreck you, this is your wake-up call. The fix? Pay yourself first. Automate savings, even just 5%, before spending a dime. Build that emergency fund. Action step. Set up auto transfers to savings today. Mistake number 2. Spending before earning. Credit cards aren't free money. Debt equals working for the bank, not yourself. The fix? Follow the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before any non-essential purchase. Your future self will thank you. Ask, do I need this, or just want it? Mistake number 3. No financial goals. If you don't set goals, you'll drift forever. Write down a 1-year, 5-year, and 10-year money plan. Break it into tiny steps, like saving $20 per week. Start small. Consistency beats intensity. Mistake number 4. Ignoring investing. Saving alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats cash. Start investing, even $50 per month in index funds or retirement accounts. Time is your best friend. Use apps like Acorns or Robinhood to start small. Mistake number 5. Fear of negotiating. Underpaid? Most people are. Ask for that raise, shop for better rates, haggle bills. Just one ask could save, or earn, you thousands a year. I've achieved X. Can we discuss compensation? Mistake number 6. Buying status over value. Luxury car pulling up to a tiny apartment. Fancy cars, designer labels, they're traps. Wealth is what you don't see. Buy used, drive reliable cars, and invest the difference. Rich people stay rich by acting broke. Mistake number 7. Blaming others. A person who always complaining about the economy, boss, luck. Blaming the system keeps you stuck. Take ownership. Learn skills, switch jobs, start a side hustle. Your choices create your future. What's one thing you can change today? Closing call to action. These mistakes are fixable. Pick one to tackle this week. Drop a comment below. Which mistake resonated most? Let's break the cycle and build wealth together. Subscribe for more money tips.